So, upload lang, ipapakita ko lang naman yung video ko guys. Yung ano ko kasi, papakita ko lang pala yung build na house ko guys sa Minecraft pa to. So, guys. Sorry guys. So guys, ito guys. Ayan. Sorry guys, ito lang sorry. Ito lang naman. So bye bye. Thanks.